Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Brief. For today we are going to see this one, which is made up of just simple papers. If you try it out with colorful paper, it would look more beautiful. Let's move the video. For this you need a A4 size paper. I wasn't having an A4 size paper, so I was just cutting it out into A4 size as this, and I cut it out the another waste papers. This is the actual look, and then in this square A4 size paper you just have to fold it from between, then again from between, which look like this samosa shaped, and then you should start cutting it from the corner which is closed. The closed After you cut it into your required pieces, you just open it out, and this should look like this. And after it's done, go to the middle part, curl it, and apply some glue over there, and you just have to stick it. After it's done, you're just going to turn it backward and then do the same with these two sides. Again apply some glue over there, and after this done too, again you are going to do the same, that is turn it back again, and you should do this alternatively, applying glue over here, and after it's done you are going to turn it around again. And look, it looks so beautiful, and it was so easy to anyone can make. So that's it for the video guys. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button if you loved it, and do subscribe to our channel if you're new here. Bye.